Then what is the secret to reverse aging?
क्या बात है, थैंक यू, what a start. बहुत खुश हुई ये सुनकर. It feels very nice when people say that, but I don't know, I live life in gratitude and I love what I do. I love my job and I wake up every morning saying thank you and I work out every day.
Well, it totally shows with your glowing skin and your fit body. We are going to be speaking a lot more about this. But सबसे पहले ये जानना चाहूँगी, I know you're a mom of two. How do you start your day? Is it a slow morning or a head start?
I love slow mornings, I have to tell you, but chance ऐसा मिलता नहीं है हर रोज. जब स्कूल के दिन होते हैं तो हम सब 6:15 और 6:30 के बीच उठते हैं.
Yeah.
जब मैं सुबह उठती हूँ ना, तो सबसे पहले मैं देखती हूँ मेरे वेरेबल ने मुझे क्या स्कोर दिया है. How
well you
was
slept?
the quality of my sleep? Did I
Okay.
do well? What kind of score I got? What kind of rating I got? What my resting heart rate was? सबसे पहले मैं वो देखती हूँ.
अरे वाह.
Weekends होते हैं तो तब slow morning का मौका मिलता है and I really love it because we just wake up and we spend a little time in bed, we chat, we hang out. I love slow mornings.
अब ये जानना चाहेंगे आप खाते क्या हो? To look the way you do. What is it that you like to eat? How do you start your mornings? How do you fuel yourself?
The correct word is lacto over vegetarian,
Okay.
which means
Very complicated.
which
but
means
yes.
I'm not a vegan,
Okay.
which means I'm a vegetarian who eats eggs
Okay.
and I take milk, and so not a vegan, so a vegetarian plus eggs. The cool way to say it is eggetarian.
Okay.
So I'm that. I start my day with this:
Coffee.
1 glass of water, then 1 cup of black coffee, and then I have protein inside dahi. I take protein before I work out as well, and I found that when I do that, I'm less injury prone. It's amazing. Protein before and after. Yeah, and I have a little bit of fruit, and that fuels me for my workout. Post workout, I can have some eggs, or I can have a protein bar, depends on whether I'm on the go or not. That's my breakfast. That's as far as the morning is concerned. Lunch, I don't complicate things. It's dal, roti, sabzi. Dinner is dal, roti or dal, sabzi. So I don't eat too much for dinner. Dinner is early also. It's at 7 o'clock in the evening.
Oh, really? Okay.
So yeah. So I just think our Indian diet is so amazing.
Yeah.
And the kind of vegetarian options we have.
Yeah.
I mean, I can just eat 2 bowls of really nice sabzi. I love lauki, I love bengan,
Okay.
I love bhindi. So, I mean, I can have 2-3 bowls of that and be fully satiated and feeling good, and I'm not taken in carbs, and I'm still not feeling, I'm not left feeling hungry.
Right. Let's just consider today is a slow morning,
It is a slow morning.
and we're going to enjoy a power breakfast.
Oh, thank you.
So we are at Sante Spine Cuisine in BKC, and these guys serve the best healthy vegetarian food, and we've ordered a bunch of dishes for you for a power breakfast.
Ooh, I'm already happy.
This is such a great start to the day, isn't
What
it?
a spread, and what a creative spread, I have to say.
Yeah.
Things over here that you've never seen in that form before. Like I've never had a bajra risotto,
Exactly, right?
and I don't know what that tagliatelle is, but it looks very interesting. And this Thai curry and the
Black rice,
black
purple
rice.
rice.
Purple rice is what they said. Yum, very nice.
There's something with beetroot as well over
Yes,
here. Again,
yes,
very
yes.
innovative.
Very innovative and
Very
very tasty.
And talking of food, let's jump on to our segment, which is Your Nutrition Matters, presented by this industry where the schedules are not fixed. How do you still make sure that you are eating right and you're taking good care of your diet?
I'm not that fussed about, oh my gosh, I have to eat a certain kind of food with 1 teaspoon of oil or any of that. No. If I'm shooting, I order food from out. If there's going to be a place, I'm going to a place where there's going to be nothing really around, I take some food with me. Otherwise, most shoots have nice food also. So I'll eat, I choose something that suits me from the buffet, and I'll eat that. So it shouldn't be that I will only eat a particular kind of food or that many grams of protein and that many grams of carbs or nothing
not
like
so
that.
particular
Not
about
so
that.
particular. I'm not on any diet per se.
Right.
I mean, I've tried it all. I've tried keto, but I don't recommend it to people because anything that asks you to give up certain food groups and
Yeah.
put so much fat into your body,
Yeah.
it can't be very good for you. It's for people with certain conditions who should be on the keto diet, not everybody.
Right.
I've tried the General, remember the General Motors diet? that diet where you, one day fruits,
Fruit,
one day vegetables, one day fruits and vegetables.
Yeah.
You do that and then you do it for 1 week and you lose a little weight. And the moment you get back to normal eating, you put the weight back on again. I just think that the one that works if you want to lose weight is calorie deficit. So amount of calories burning.
Yeah.
And again, you don't have to calculate it. You know you've done a good workout.
Yeah.
Just cut down on the calories if you want to be in a calorie deficit. It's like that.